Hello, manager. I want to report an incident on April 18 in a workshop to cutting matching paroquet the plate prop and make a small file. Uh, no one no one was who were stopped the match and you five acting you see the court was an all plate really to check Matthew every way. Thank you, Mr. Ning.